teacher said, don't talk tomorrow.
You popping now? Busted. No video games for Luis.
Yeah, video.
No TV either.
Yeah, I could.
I told that.
The teacher said don't talk tomorrow. I'm not.
So he can't talk at all?
What are you doing with it?
Huh? Do what?
You wanna talk to your friend?
Oh, sign language?
No, that's not talking.
You better not be a bad kid.
That's
I
hand
never
talk.
pulled my card.
Hold your what?
I didn't
my
say that.
Wait, did I ever pull my? I never got in trouble in school, right?
I didn't
Except
say.
one
I
time I
I didn't say that.
And you got it out of
I did say that.
What are you doing?
I didn't say that.
What did you, Andrew? Have you ever pulled your card?
You don't have fun.
Have you ever gotten in trouble?
What was
What?
it called?